Create your organization on IncidentReporter365 and start operations in 60 seconds. Never miss an incident, as any user can easily raise incidents 24/7, 365 days per year. All this without any infrastructure, installation or training costs. You can reduce staff to receive telephone calls and thus save on costs significantly. The IncidentReporter365 smartphone app captures an incident with a geographic location, image, audio, video files, and submits to the server. These are routed automatically to the appropriate staff as per your configuration. A portal page with a dashboard gives you the pulse of the incidents being raised under your organization. You can drill down into each incident, access the image, audio and video files submitted with the exact location of the incident. Know the density and spread of the incidents through a dynamic heat map. Zoom through the map to identify problem areas for better analysis and proactive actions, thus reducing incidents. Control who can see and associate with your organization to submit incidents. The geofencing feature allows a freehand drawing to define the perimeter of your area. Smartphone users who are only within that geographical area can see your organization and join to submit incidents. The incidents can be organized into types, be it potholes, abandoned cars or burglary. Automatic routing of incidents to the concerned officers reduces the dispatch efforts and allows the officers to act promptly, increasing the success ratio of actions. Officers can access incident details from their smartphone app and act on it immediately. For each incident type, configure questions to gather additional information from the app users for better action and future analysis. You can send important announcements and notifications to all app users within seconds. This could be forewarning for an upcoming situation or awareness of something that happened. Summary of benefits for you: reduced costs, increased availability, easier reporting, faster response time, better analysis of incidents, and overall improved quality of life. Start your organization now at IncidentReporter365.com.